because it's a really clean cutaway. Clean cutter. What the hell am I saying? Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy ALin, and we back today with another video, man. So look, first and foremost, if y'all are new to the channel, make sure y'all go down and hit that subscribe button. Also leave a like on the video while y'all down there. Big shout outs to y'all. We just hit 2,000 subscribers. Next milestone is probably 5K. I really think we're gonna get there, man. We're gonna get there. I'm gonna keep dropping on-foot reviews, shoe reviews, all that. But I'm gonna try to mix it up because it's summertime and be outside more. Like yesterday was July 4th. I was supposed to film this video yesterday, but they sent me all fireworks and shit, so didn't want to get that done. Then I went out and got drunk the night before. So you know what I'm saying? Your boy be outside, but you know, we're gonna switch up the content. Let me know what y'all want to see down below. And yeah, man, we are back today with another sneaker review. Your boy just got the fresh cut. That's why no hat today. We got the hats on the side. But yeah, man, I got my cut like a couple days ago because I was trying to get lit July 4th weekend, but we didn't really do much. We went out the night before, but July 4th we didn't really do much. The night of, there was like a function, but it was fake, like whack. So anyways, shoe review. Jordan 4 white Oreos, or the, you know, I call it the like great value white cement forwards, bro. Like they be like, yo, they the cement joints. I'm like, yo, bro, please don't call these the cement joints. Even though they do have the cement print, just don't call these the cement joints, because white cement forwards are my grail, like my favorite shoe of all time. Jordans, whatever sneaker, and I just don't want to disrespect it, because compared to these, them joints is you can't compare these to those. But yeah, man, I was able to pick up a good amount of pairs because it was a, you know, a GR. There was a lot of pairs available, even like online. I didn't hit any online. I slept due to online release. I woke up at like 11:30, which I messed up. Should have woke up at like 9, prepared for that, and then head out to do my pickups and everything. But overall, it was a really good day. Even on the second day of leftovers, I was able to get a good amount of pairs. As y'all can see, I have it back there. Those are all 4s. I even sold some, so I'm gonna give you guys a, you know, just like a, I had like an Instagram boomerang of everything. So yeah, y'all can see that. But yeah, I did pick up probably like 30 something pairs. So yeah, you know what I'm saying? Simple shit. Let me know, did you guys get any for retail? Were you guys able to secure any in store, online? Let me know what y'all luck is. But let's get into the review, man, since we're already overdue. On foot coming today because I have a size 9, and 4s are my favorite silhouette. So right here we have the Jordan 4 box. It has the cement print on the bottom, and it's been coming out with the white thing, the white lid with the red Jordan Jumpman right here with the flight. So I'm guessing whatever Jordan Jumpman and the flight color is in resembles the shoe or the Jordan Jumpman on the tongue. So like the UNC blue ones, they had the UNC blue with the cement print on the bottom. Nothing else really much to discuss. Right here is size tag, size 9, Air Jordan 4 Retro. Retail on these was $190. They've been going crazy on the GS pairs. GS retail was $150 on these, which is weird because Foot Locker, Finish Line, everything they charge $150, but now with the Jimmy Jazz they charge me the regular $140 plus tax. But I don't know, they've been going crazy with Jordan 4 GS prices. Like it's supposed to be $140, but I don't know why they bumped it up to $150. Like I guess the UNCs made sense because UNCs, even the men's pairs was $210 price hike because it was like special, but then the GS wasn't special on this pair, so I don't know why they gave it a price hike. Just my thoughts though. But let's get into the unboxing, you know, just lifting it open. We have the white, this is not the white paper, it comes with the cement print paper on the 4s, and underneath the cement print we have the Jordan 4 white Oreo right here. So like I said, when this shoe was first coming out, I wasn't expecting too much, but it is a very clean sneaker off the first look. There you guys have it. Get my face out of there. It's a very clean summer sneaker, man. Still debating on keeping a pair or not. That will be covered in my final opinions. But I'm just gonna give you guys a quick little B-roll to show you guys all the details and stuff. And yeah, some of the shoes that I got, like a size 4.5 I got yesterday, the toe box is like tumble leather, so it was like extremely tumble and there was like creases. But that's just how 4s come. The quality control on 4s is not that great, but this right here is a super clean pair. Like nothing wrong with the toe box. But I'm giving you guys a B-roll. Y'all can look at all the details. Then we're gonna come back, give y'all the full review with the colorway breakdown, material breakdown, sizing, and all that. So let's cut to that. Ay, coming back from the B-roll. Hopefully you guys got a good little look at them. But yeah, let's just jump into the colorway breakdown. Pretty simple colorway on these, mainly white, and then it has the cement print, or they're calling it the white Oreo, and they also have gray. So yeah, man, the upper is mainly in white. Everything, even the netting, the whole shoe, the leather part, the back tab, the tongue, everything is in white. Laces is in white. And then even like the toe right here on the rubber part, and the midsole is also in white. But the actual midsole, the rubber midsole versus the actual midsole is in that cement print. So you have cement print right here and going around the back into this side. Cement print is also on the lace holes or the wings right here, but the wing part down here is in white and up here is in that Oreo. And then the liner is pretty cool. It's in this like silk or satin material, not silk, satin material, and it is in gray. The outsole right here on the toe, they have the gray, but then the outsole is mainly white with a red Jumpman, and then they also have the red Jumpman up top on the tongue and also on the inside, the Jumpman. And then, you know, they have the Air Jordan backwards or upside down on the inside of the tongue. But yeah, there goes basically the colorway breakdown. As for materials, basic Jordan 4 stuff, they use a leather on the upper. The netting is plastic with the mesh underneath. You know, that tends to yellow over time. Then they have the plastic on the wings on both sides, rubber on the outsole. And yeah, that's pretty much for, you know, regular stuff. But they do have the satin liner, sock liner, and tongue underneath the tongue. So that is pretty nice to say the least. And yeah, that pretty much breaks down the colorway and material. Now as for sizing on Jordan 4s, I do recommend you guys going true to size on them. I usually go true to size on Jordan 4s because that's just, I get all my Jordan 4s in the size 9. Got the breads back there, if y'all can see. I still got 2 pairs of breads. I need to rock one of those. Got a couple pairs of white cements in the stash. Need to start rocking those too in the summer. But yeah, sizing on them, I just go true to size on Jordan 4s. You can go down half a size because, you know, they're kind of bulky. But yeah, just go true to size on them. Now speaking about sizing, I want to cover comfort as well. Comfort on Jordan 4s is not the most comfortable sneaker, but like I said, I love the sneaker, so I'm just gonna do it anyway. But yeah, not that comfortable. It's very bulky. There's no really like, there is an air unit in the middle. I've got to include that in the materials. They do have an air unit, which is in gray, but you can't really feel the air unit because it's such like a clunky and bulky sneaker. So I would say like comfort out of these probably like 6.5 out of 10. But yeah, man, that pretty much wraps up everything. These are a size 9, so I'm going to give you guys it on foot. These probably look really good on foot because it's clean, definitely for the summer. So it's pretty stylish. You could rock them with cargos, you could rock them with sweats, you could rock them with jeans, anything shorts, still all look nice. So I'm just going to give you guys a quick little look with some cargos. And we're going to come back, talk about resell and wrap things up with my final opinion, man. So let's cut to that. Alright, so coming back from the on feet, you know, hopefully you guys, if you like it, let me know. I did drop a Jordan 4 lacing video. Yeah, make sure to go check that out. I have to do a Nike Dunk lacing tutorial as well. So yeah, that's coming soon. So make sure y'all stay tuned to the channel and subscribe. But as for resale on this sneaker, men's sizes right now are hovering around $280. Retail on these was $190. So after tax in New York, you're getting like $206. So, you know, you're making a pretty penny depending on what. I've been moving them. We're trying to move them at like 300, 320. Some been moved, like I said. And then grade school is 150 plus tax in New York is like 163. And grade school prices aren't doing that great. It's like 185 right now to 190. But, you know what I'm saying? If you can move them for like 220, that's not bad. So, yeah, that's basically what I've been doing. And, yeah, man, that pretty much covers resale. Do I think these will go up in the future? Honestly, it's kind of tough right now with the sneaker market. Usually before you buy anything and just shoes go up, this is a very clean colorway, so I do think it's going to go up, like the metallic purple 4s and stuff like that. But I'm just afraid that it's such a widely available GR that the prices should stay around like high 200s for a minute, and even maybe drop down to like 250 before it pops into 300. So I don't mind holding on to these, but it's just like you gotta be aware. Like mids are dead, lows are dead. Jordan 4s, like the hype came, like I predicted. Like last year I was telling everybody, yo, Jordan 4 is the next big shoe. Just maybe because like it was my favorite shoe, but I've been telling everybody it was my, like, you know, next shoe. Now like Jordan 4s, you see Black Hat 650, Cool Grays 550, you know what I'm saying? Like people were letting those shoes sit before, but now everybody going crazy over 4s, man. Like that's the new style, whatever. I don't know if you want to call it the Virgil effect, Union effect, Travis Scott effect, I don't know what you want to call it, but I do see this shoe going to like 350 and higher. So this is a very clean colorway, and it's white and gray, so you can't go wrong with that, especially for the summertime. It's just a very clean sneaker. So like I said, I do see these going up to like 350-ish. So yeah, don't panic, shoes just down right now. Yeah, what goes down must come back up, right? Or what goes up must come back down. I don't know, man. I don't know how the saying goes. But now let's wrap things up with my final opinion. Do I plan on keeping these right here? It is a very clean shoe. Is it worth adding to my collection because I have so many? But I feel like if you have white cement 4s already, I don't need these. Like this is at a point where if I had these in high school, I probably would have rocked them, just because like in high school I used to rock like a pair of 4s to keep my white cement 4s clean. But now I got 3 pairs of white cement 4s and I barely wear them. So if I do want to wear a pair of 4s, I'll probably wear my Cool Grays, my Breads, or my white cements. But the Lightning 4s that are coming out, I definitely need those. So yeah. But anyways, that's pretty much wraps up this video. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this sneaker down below. And yeah, it's your boy ALin. I'm checking out. Y'all make sure y'all stay safe and stay swaggy, man. I'll catch y'all in the next one, man. We out.